What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be painting this Grand Prix over here. To get my tools and shit, everything that I need. Look what else we got though over here. Got this Caprice. It's another project. Y'all gonna see that coming along. I'll be keeping on this vlog. So comment down below if I miss anything, because I'm new to this, so you know I gotta grow with it. You know, it's my project BMW 5 Series 525 XI V6 turbo, twin turbo, I believe. I'm not sure. I had a 2008 Audi A4 that was it was an accident though. I bought it was an accident. I thought I could fix it, but it wasn't fixable until I basically tore down all the damaged areas and whatnot, and seen that it was really fucked up, so I couldn't really do nothing with it. But yep, this is another customer car. It's my pop's customer. My dad, he do body work and painting too, just like me, my cousin. Who y'all gonna see along the way. It's a 2013 Taurus, I believe. Front end damage. It's a lot of dog shit around. I'm trying not to step in, so I ain't trying to be out the camera or nothing. And then also got this Mercedes C230 Mercedes. It's another customer for my pops. See, doing the quarter panel and the doors, did the doors and everything. My BMW was it was smacked up too. I bought it for a project, and it's been pretty good so far. It was messed up. The guy I bought it from, he was real cool. I still keep in contact with him because he's real attached to the BMW. So I guess it's like a family member or something you could say. I don't know. But he's real cool guy. He's doing this project too. I forgot, it's an old school. He's making all these modifications. Like the engine is in the trunk and the fuel tank is it's under the hood. So you know, it's out of sight shit. You gotta see. And yep, that's what we're gonna be painting today. 2006 Grand Prix Pontiac. This is the Comp G though, so don't get it twisted. It's the Comp G. You know, it's my homeboy. He wanted me to paint it. He been asking me to paint it, and I had it over here forever. I'm supposed to have been painted for real, but I've been so busy, been traveling and all type of shit for the summer, kids and the family and whatnot. So I got you, bro. I got you. I do this shit right now. Show y'all what I did so far. So, see all the primer spots. It was like holes and dents and whatnot, all right here. It was rugged. I got pictures and stuff I'll put on here so you guys can see. It's all messed up. I done sanded all around it, primed it, sanded down. So now the area is real smooth. You can see the character lines and whatnot. I'll show you guys how to do that in my next video. But this is just a simple, what I'm about to do now. This had a huge dent in it. I got that out. It got Bondo over it. So I'm finna sand it down on that. Square that off. I have to take these tail lights out. Or I could mask them. I could mask them, but I might take them out though. I might just take them out. Ain't no big of a deal for real. But he is in a rush to get it back though, so that's the only thing. And this is where I paint at too. I paint outside. I don't got no shop. I don't got no nothing. I'm straight painting outside. Me, my cousin, we all paint outside. And everybody love our work though. You know, we cut and buff, all that shit. So there you go. Every time. And I'll show y'all some of the cars that I done did already, and you know what we got in and out. But anyway, like I was saying though, anything come back from 4 wheels, it's gonna take a minute to everything come back here be messed up for real. And I'm kind of a renaissance man. I do more than one thing, so this not the only thing I do, you know. But yeah, basically though, this is what we're gonna be doing today. So let me hook up my airlines and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Since y'all not doing nothing, subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below on everything. You know, subscribe us. The Hughes Gang Family TV. Hughes Gang Family. You know, subscribe, hit like, turn that notification button on so you can hear it. You know, you feel me? And we're gonna get into some paint. We're gonna do some other stuff too though. This ain't just a only car channel. We're gonna do some pranks, some challenges. We're gonna do some reactions. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. There's a lot of shit we do. We do a lot of stuff anyway, but I just thought it would be a smart idea to just put it on YouTube and see everybody what we do, you know. Like, yeah, comment, hit like, subscribe, thumbs up, hit that thumbs up for me. Thumbs up, hit that thumbs up, hit that thumbs up, hit that thumbs up, hit that thumbs up, hey. This was a dent right here, but as you can see, I sanded it down. I got the Bondo and fiberglass on it. If you don't know how to do that, I'll make a video on that too as well. I got a low spot right here. You probably can't really see it, but I can feel it. You probably can see my hand go down. Then you can actually see it too. You got this big ass skid mark right here. So what I have to do is I have to put some more Bondo. I put some too right here because this is a high point. These is high and low points. So I'm gonna have to knock this area down. This too as well. This and this down. Fill this in. And then go over it. This side right here though. So these two sides, these is squared off. You know, I gotta put the putty on it for the pinholes. Yep, other than that though, it's ready. You get my primer, spray the primer on it. And once I spray my primer, it'll look like this. It'll look and feel just like this. It's like there's no dent. It's a big ass dent right here. You can't see it. You can see like the area of the Bondo when I sprayed it, but I'm gonna spray it again before I actually put the paint on it. I'm gonna spray it again, just for good measure. Way sand it, gonna be on my way. I had the sander on it earlier. Like when I first laid the Bondo down, I used the sander to sand it down, so it makes my job less hard. And then I get the block, square it off. It's an old school trick. A lot of people don't like using it, but it does well more than the job for real. A lot of people, if you lazy, a lot of lazy people don't like doing it. But it keeps the area flat and nice, and it's the correct, proper way to do it. I've seen a lot of people do it with their hands and whatnot without a block. It's not gonna work without a block. Because what all you doing is putting your finger, when you do it with your hands or whatnot, you do it like that. The same areas that you holding down to sand the area down is the same little waves you're gonna see once you paint it. Because once you paint it, you're gonna see everything. I don't care what you trying to hide or whatever. So if you paint it, paint gonna show everything. So get this squared off. You know? Shit flying in my eyes. Pull it off. Yeah, so you guys can't see it, but I can feel it though. And it's still a little bit right here in this area. The rest of this is straight. This is flat. You could put a ruler on this. It's gonna lay down. So once you get this down, prime it, square it off, and we'll get back on. Whew. Hurt like a mug. It's a lot of sanding. But it works though. New to this shit, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna kill you. So we're pouring the Bondo now. I'm trying to do it with one hand since I'm recording on my phone. Yeah, you see it fast, dry, filling, Bondo. Okay, I'm back. And I got the proper amount that I think that I need for my spots, for these spots. And I got some on the other side too. That's why I got, so much. So please don't be one of those guys. You know those guys, Please don't be one of those guys. I want to know what happened to the last guy, so please don't be that guy, okay? And so let's find some filler. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that like that because I got more than enough, and it's not really gonna make a difference. And it's gonna crack up and hard. If you do pour a lot, you know, if you do mix it with a lot of hardener, it will crack later on in the process. So like if you mixed it and poured it on there and, you know, sanded it down and stuff and whatever, that shit will crack if you didn't mix the chemical bond right. So just make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing in the area. Let me put this down because I gotta mix it up right. Okay, so when you're done whipping, you should have a nice pinkish type vibe going on. And, you know, wipe it over it, bam. Bam. But bam, look, that shit gone already. And that's something. It's amazing what you could do to a car. Amazing what a car could go through and you wouldn't know it because of the person that repaired it. Like me, you know. So just gonna do my last little swipes, and every swipe that you do, you relieve less pressure on it, so you could like have it layered in the spot that you're filling. So you just won't be putting Bondo on for nothing and have to redo it again. Man, it's October. Can you believe we got fucking mosquitoes back here? Man. Everybody want their 10 minutes of fame. Sheesh, I'm gonna be known. Shout out to you, the fucking mosquitoes. God damn. Okay, let me go to my other side. Over here, this is what I was talking about. That's why I made so much. Because a lot to fill in. So let me cut you up, guys, off and come back and show you when I get done. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Hughes TV channel. So I got my spots.